Google Pixel 9 Pro. Yeah, in this video we're going to talk about this mobile clearly, completely. Features. First of all, let's start with the display size. This mobile comes with a 6.1 inches of OLED display, and it is going to be a HDR10 Plus supported 120Hz refresh rate supported display, protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. And when we move on to the next thing, that is a processor, it comes with a Google Tensor G3, which is their own processor. It is a octa-core 5G processor. Now when we talk about 5G, yeah, this mobile comes with almost 9 5G bands in India. This mobile will be available in two variants. Mostly those are 12GB RAM 256 and 12GB RAM 512GB internal storage variants. Now these are Google Tensor G3 with LPDDR5X RAM types and UFS 4.0 storage capacity. So combining all these three, we can expect good performance from this mobile. When we move on to the camera section, yeah, Google Pixel mobiles are made for the cameras. Yeah, this mobile also comes with a triple cameras at the back side, where we can find a 108 megapixels of main wide angle camera with the optical image stabilization, and a 50 megapixels of secondary periscopic zoom camera, and a 16 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. But for the front, it comes with a 24 megapixels of wide angle camera. When we talk about the battery, to power up this mobile, we need a bigger battery. Yes, this mobile comes with a 5500 milliamp hours of huge battery. According to the news until now, that this mobile will support 90 watts of fast charge through wire, and 45 watts of wireless charge, and 10 watts of reverse wireless charge. When we talk about the other features, like this mobile comes with the Android version 15 out of the box, stock version of Google 15, Android 15 version. And this mobile will comes with the stereo speakers, no 3.5mm jack like all the mobiles which are releasing these days. And this mobile is completely a metal and glass build. By the way, this mobile also comes with a IP68 water and dust resistant certifications, so you don't need to worry to use your mobile in rains and dust. And this mobile will be available in 3 colors. I will list the colors in the description box down below clearly with the other videos of my channel. You can directly go and watch them from there also. And oh, by the way, if you are watching the video until now, subscribing to the channel will be amazing. Yeah, when we talk about the other features, like yeah, this mobile comes with the in-display fingerprint scanner Gen 2, and this mobile comes with a Wi-Fi 7 tri-band Wi-Fi support and Bluetooth 5.4, which are the latest features. This mobile doesn't skips any sensors, like this mobile comes with all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, and compass and everything. So this is all about this mobile's features. And this mobile price will be around, according to the rumors, this mobile might comes in a price tag of like 75 to 79,000 rupees budget in the price range. So if this mobile is at that price range in India, so I think it will be a good mobile for that price range. So this is all about this mobile, and thanks for watching the channel, thanks for watching the videos, and hit the subscribe button and also the like button.